Welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell your DOGS airdrop on Bybit. If you use Bybit to receive your DOGS airdrop, this is how to sell your DOGS airdrop, or how to convert your DOGS airdrop to USDT, which you can now withdraw to your local currency, or you can convert to your local currency. Okay, before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Also share this video on all your social media platforms to help everyone that is confused on how to sell their DOGS airdrop. Okay, when you launch your Bybit app, when you launch your Bybit Exchange app, this is exactly the way it will look. At the bottom of your screen, you can see home, market, derivatives, spot, and assets. Okay, you click on assets. Okay, it will appear exactly like this. Okay, you click on assets. You can see assets here. You click on assets, or you click on unified trading. Anyone you click at. Okay, I'll click on assets. Okay, then I'll choose the particular asset I want to sell. Okay, we want to sell DOGS, so I'll select DOGS. Okay, I'll select DOGS. Then I will select DOGS/USDT because I want to trade DOGS/USDT, so I will select DOGS/USDT. Okay, then it will now take me to this dashboard. On this dashboard, I will go over from buy to sell. If you want to buy, like you have USDT and you want to buy, you can now go ahead to buy. But because we want to sell, what we have is DOGS. We want to sell it to USDT. I'll go over to sell. Okay, now the next thing is to select market, because we want to sell at the current price you are seeing on your screen. Okay, click and select market. Now I will drag this bar to the end. If I want to sell everything, I have about 13,900 DOGS on this account, so if I want to sell everything, I'll drag this to the end. If I want to sell 50% of it, I'll drag it to the middle, then I'll click on sell DOGS. Okay, if I want to sell 15% of it, I'll drag it to the 15%. The more you are dragging it, the more percentage is showing you. Okay, if I want to sell 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 80, how many percent I want to sell at all. Okay, then when I drag it to that point, I'll click on sell DOGS. Okay, or alternatively, I can enter the amount I want to sell. It must be within the amount I have, so I can decide to sell 5,000. Sorry, I'll click on sell. Now when I sell it, I'll go back to assets. The USDT will now reflect under USDT here. Okay, I think this is all about selling your DOGS on Bybit. Okay, then after selling it, you can now proceed to use P2P platform to withdraw it, or if direct withdrawal is working in your place, okay, you can now proceed to withdraw with your bank card if it is working in your locality. Okay, this is all for withdraw selling on Bybit. Okay, please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Also share these videos to benefit others. Thank you. See you in the next one.